YouTube, my name is Brianna, and I'm so sorry that I did not post a video on Monday. I have no excuse for it, I just didn't post a video on Monday, and I'm very sorry for that. I know it's Thursday and I'm uploading a video, which is weird, but I wanted to film this video so you had a video for this week, because next week I'm going to start vlogging, because I'm going to be starting a summer series where I'm going to vlog every day starting next week, because I'm going to the Philippines until August 10th. So I'm very excited for that, and I wanted to try and film the whole thing for you guys because I know how much you would enjoy it, and I would love to look back on it and look back on the whole adventure, and I think it'd be very fun. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my bathing suit collection. Now, I have only a few bathing suits, not like some people who have 30 million bathing suits or whatever, but I'm going to show you the ones that I have, and I bought some today, so I decided this was a good time to do a bathing suit haul. I am debating whether or not to do a try-on portion of it, and if I do a try-on portion of it, it will only be the tops because I don't really feel comfortable doing the bottoms. That's just me, I am sorry. Just the tops probably, maybe, but if I do end up doing the try-on portion, but I still don't know if I'm going to do that yet. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to start off with the tops, and I'm going to start with the tops that I bought today. Both of these tops are from Boathouse, and this one is the first one. They still have the tags on them, but it looks like this, and it is a halter style top, so it just has 2 strings and goes around your neck, and it looks like this. It has this it has the sun on it with a triangle and this circle around it. Looks like that. And then the back is just open with a clasp on the back of it, and it has some padding in it too. So that's just basically what it is, just a halter top, and I like it a lot because it goes high on your neck and it looks super flattering on, and I got this in a size large. The next one I got is also like a halter top, and it is this one, which I love so much. Oh, there's some makeup on it. I just realized that. Oh well. Okay. So, this is like a halter style top, just like the other one. It goes around like this, except it doesn't have a tie. Instead, on the back, it has a million of these. Oh, I don't know how I'm going to show you this. Okay, this is a little difficult. Maybe, okay, I'll probably do a try-on portion of it, but it looks, you can't tell in the back, but I'll maybe do a try-on portion of it. But it kind of crisscrosses in the back, kind of well, there's some of it. There's straps here, and then on the top, it crisscrosses. It's very hard to show you, but I'll show you later. But it's this tie-dye and white, pink, and blue type, and it's super pretty and super flattering on, and I love it very much, and you should definitely buy this because so worth it, so cute. I love it so much. Probably new favorite bathing suit, and I got this in a size extra large because this one and a small was the only one left, but you know, The next top I have is this basic. It's very wrinkly because I've worn it so many times. It's this greenish, bluish, turquoise, I guess. This typical triangle bikini, and it just ties in the back and then ties up in the front, and I took out the padding because it was really annoying me. So yeah, I got this from Walmart. The next top I got was also from Boathouse, and it is just this black cross thing. On the bottom it has these crosses, and then it's just has your, yeah, that part, and it ties in the back, and then in the back over here too, it has just a clasp, and sadly this doesn't really fit me anymore. It's a little too small, so I don't know, I really like it, but this is in a size large as well. So yeah. The next one is from Ardennes. I don't really know how to pronounce this, but just looks like this. It's just like a bandeau type thing, and it just twists like this. So you put it around, and it has, okay, I don't know where the string is for the top, but there's strings you can have. It just ties around your neck. And then in the back it has, again, a clasp, a silver clasp like this, and it's just this mint and white tribal print, I guess. I don't really wear this much. I don't really like it, but yes, I have this, and yeah, it's very nice. And the last top I have is from Target, and it looks like this. It's just this floral, yeah, this floral daisies, I guess, I think, that are on it, and it's this nice blue color with some pink detailing on top. Has a little bit of a push-up in it. I don't know if I mentioned this is from Target. This bathing suit is sadly too small, so I'm probably going to give it to my sister. But I only wore it once, but it was nice when it lasted. So the next ones I'm going to show you are the bottoms. And I have a lot of bottoms. So the first ones I have are these really pink bottoms, very, very pink. They're hot pink, and it just looks like this. They're from Forever 21, and it has a bit of ruching in the back of it, so it's a little bit cheeky, but not too much. Basically covers your whole butt. And this is in a size large, I believe, too. And it just looks like this, very cute, and it has this like tribal kind of netting kind of thing. So yeah, very nice. Next two I'm going to show you I just bought today. So these are from La Vie en Rose, I think, and they have super cute bathing suits. And if you don't have La Vie en Rose near you, please go look it up on the internet. They have adorable bikinis. They're so cute. And so these are the bottoms. The angle changed. My camera decided to delete the last footage I got of the bathing suit, so I have to redo it. Just talking about these bathing suits. This bathing suit bottom. So this is a floral bathing suit bottom. It's kind of cheeky. It has a ruching in the back, and then on the sides it has these stripes down the side of them. And this is a very colorful bottom, and I don't know what top to wear with this yet, but we will soon figure it out. Next one I bought from La Vie en Rose are these high-waisted bottoms, and I think these are super cute and so adorable, and I can't wait to wear these. They're just blue and white striped like this, and then inside it's hot pink, and then in the back just full coverage, and they're super cute, and they go just below my belly button, so the perfect amount of high-waisted bottoms. Next pair of bottoms I have go with the top that I had with the floral pattern like this, and these are from Target, and these just have the same pattern as it does with the top that doesn't sadly fit me anymore, and these bottoms don't fit me anymore either, which is very sad, but they have the same pattern, and then on the side they have a tie-up like this, and I'm sad that I got a medium instead of a large. We should have gotten a large instead, but you know, oh well, probably give them to my sister too. These ones are from Ardennes, and they're just mint green, and they go with that tribal print bandeau type bathing suit too. And they kind of look like the Victoria's Secret bottoms because they have these, like, I don't know, ruchings I guess you would call them, on the side of them. And so they're just mint green. They are full coverage just like this. I don't really wear these a lot because they're kind of a little like run down and like used, but they're still nice. I have these bottoms. They are from Walmart, and they are just black with some colorful detailing that looks like tropical leaves. They're just a bunch of beautiful colors. I wear this a lot. This bottom is probably my favorite bottom, and they are full coverage just like this, and they are nice to wear with that black bathing suit or any, like, I don't know, some fun type top because they're very plain, so it's very nice, and I'm glad I have these. And the last ones I have are not technically like bikini bottoms like this. They're shorts, and they look like this, and I got them from Aeropostale and stole them from my mom. And I usually wear these with the bottoms too because I like wearing these over top of the bottoms. And they're just like this, and they tie up in the front. They are very colorful. They have palm trees on it, the oceans on it. They're very nice to wear, and I enjoy them a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you have not already. Make sure to check out my last video, which was a day in my life video, and give that a like. Also like this video if you're excited for the vlogs that are going to start next week. I'm very excited to start them too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!